G'day guys. Well, up in the Watagans again. Met up with Wayne and Bretto. I was only 19 minutes late this time. Oh, I'm getting better. But it's a long way for me to go. That was an hour and a half riding just to get here. Left at 7:30. Anyway. Excuses. So we met up at the camping headquarters, or the old Olney Road campsite. I can't remember. I don't know, something like that. I'll post a link just in the middle of the screen. And we met up there, and we're heading, from what I can tell, to Yengo somewhere. Wayne's taking us, so I just have to follow today, which is nice. Going back along the way I came, and then heading down along Murray's Run Road, which I've done a few times, done on the bike and I've done on the car, so I know the way. There's apparently some secret entrance somewhere, I don't know. It's a difficult one to find, apparently. So, we'll see. Should be a good day. I can always camp. I can always stay at the farm tonight if we spend a long day out here, which is good. It's kind of good having two places. Parents are always happy to have me stay, because they love me. Funny how I've done this already. Should have just met them at Murray's Run Turnoff. It saved me 19 minutes. It's a little pheasant. So yeah, we're going to head to Yengo, and I think trying to go sort of back area of Laguna and Wollombi towards the Howes Trail. So that kind of heads towards Putty Road. I can put up a map. I'll show you. It's just there. I think I'll try and highlight the road we took as best as I can. Phone is still there. Wallet is still there. Excellent. Ah, little rock wallaby. Hello.
You'll like it down here. Okay. You might even buy a farm.
Yeah, it's.
We can all come and stay.
My
Really pretty.
my parents almost bought a place down here, but
Didn't they?
well,
That's an extra bigger tank?
yeah, it's 25, 30, 20.
I might must have that size.
Yeah, he does. I've seen it. He's got the same one as me.
Yeah. That's a good looking tank.
Yeah, I know. I like it. It came out 3 months after I bought this one. I was like, oh.
Yeah, I was about to buy one of them and I saw these. So you.
So we're on to Murray's Run Road. This will take us to George Downs Drive, and it's not all tar. It's actually most of it's dirt. It's just this last little section, probably because it eroded too often. And it's a lot of people down here, so it's kind of a residential. It's a little farming area. Hobby farms, I would say, is the biggest use of it. This is nice, isn't it? There's a hole! I drove into a hole. Oh, he's here already.
Is it on now?
Which, the camera?
Yeah, like the little screen, has it got digits on it now?
There's no screen on there.
Isn't there like a blank screen there?
No. Is it on the other way around?
Yeah. So now I don't know whether it's on.
You need a red blinking light.
Oh yeah, it does. Is it on?
No.
What about now?
Yep. Boo! So I thought I'd tell you a little bit of a, I don't know if it, yeah, it's probably a funny story. I hope it's a funny story.
We stayed on a farm once, ages ago, up at Gloucester, and I went for a walk. There was supposed to be platypus in their river, and
Yeah.
I went for a walk, and there was just all these cattle. They were steers, all cattle, big horns, and they're all laying down. And I walk up, and the whole lot of them, there must have been about 40. They all stand up and just stand there staring at me, and they scared the shit out of me. And when I went back to the farm and said to the bloke, "Your cattle, they're pretty aggressive," I thought they were going to attack. He's just laughing. Going, "They're all steers, mate. They're like little babies."
So we're heading up to Yengo Creek. Yengo Creek? I don't know. Heading up to a lookout. I'll put it on the map. Hopefully I'll know where that is. And now, we'll see how that goes. Had a bit of a stop, chat, rest on the side of the road, which is good. Finchley Track. That's the one. I remember it now.
And I'm thinking,
So we're heading home, heading back to the trail. We only went up to the campsite today just to see where it was. It's pretty good actually, nice and quiet.